What's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and in today's video I want to go through how to create a landing page that converts. And what you're looking at right now is inside our landing page builder, which we use is instapage.com. I'll drop a link in the description for a 14-day free trial so you can log into this and start playing around with this design. And you're looking at the pest control page we use that converts at about 32% every 30 days. It fluxes between 32 and 36. So this page works, and I'm going to kind of just run through how we build it and the elements that we use and why. So if we start from the top, we usually, and I should preface this that this is a page that we send mostly mobile traffic to. So out of that 32 to 36% conversion rate, that's mostly phone calls. Okay, so that's important to keep in mind when we're going through the page. This page is not really built for desktop conversions. All right, so it's very simple. Come up to the top, we have our main not our main, but our secondary call to actions, which are no contracts, no commitments, no pests, just something like that. You can put really whatever here. We come down, we have our logo, and then we have our main call to action, which is call for a free pest removal estimate. Now, removal is the key word here, not control. People are coming to this page because they have an issue, they want it gone. All right, so that's important with at least the pest industry, is to use removal. All right, so main call to action, free pest removal estimate. Click the call number. Come down to our main header here, and it's top rated pest control company serving. Insert your city name here and surrounding areas. Then we hit them with 3 different pictures here, which are usually the team, the company, if maybe a pest control job you're out on. It doesn't really matter as long as they're professional pictures and look nice, and not just for the love of God, please don't put generic Pixabay or Shutterstock pictures here. All right, use real images. Authenticity is what converts. And I don't care what anybody else tells you. Then we hit them again here with a request a free estimate, and another click to call inside here. Fill out the form below or to schedule your free pest removal estimate. Name, email, phone, or name, phone, email. Sorry. Types of pests you have. This is optional. We leave it. And you can see here, this is a legit form. This is not 36% just collecting emails. Okay, this is a legit lead. And 90 times out of 100, you're going to get people who type in the pest here. You can make it required if you want. It's not really a big deal. Submit request. So then we come over here. We have a little insert a about/content block. So we want a nice big healthy paragraph there about the company. Then we drop down to pests we can help you remove. List all the pests you can help remove. And then we do another closing paragraph down here, which can be whatever, about your company or about the pests you remove, something like that. Then we do a couple images of pests right here. We usually stagger them like 3 on top, 3 on bottom, just pests that you remove, stuff like that. 100% satisfaction guarantee, no contracts, no commitments. So we're reaffirming what they first saw. Continue our message match. Call for your estimate again. Here we go. And you can see we don't have removal here because we switched it up. So there's 2 types of people: the people who want to get the removal and people who just want an estimate, and we want to hit both of them. Obviously, removal is what we want them to see first, and then we're just reinforcing that down here with estimate. Click the call number, areas you serve, insert all the locations your company serves. Here's your headquarters where you'll put your address for your company so they know you're a legitimate business, and then a little blurb about your company right here. And then your company name, and I usually put an ad extension number here if we're using Google Ads. And that's really it. Now the secret sauce to this page is the mobile. So this is what people are going to see when they're on their phone. And you can see how easy Instapage is. You can just drag and drop and do whatever you really need to here to edit. So it's so easy. And this is really it, guys. I mean, you just fill in your information, hit update, and the page is live. And that's really it. So if you have any questions about this style page, Instapage in general for building landing pages, just let us know, because Instapage is pretty much our main. We use Unbounce and Instapage. I'll drop links for both for free trials in the description. But these are our 2 main core landing page builders, and every page we build in Instapage is converting at over 20%. So most of them 30s and 40s. So we know what we're doing when it comes to this, and we're going to be doing a lot more videos here with landing pages. I'm going to kind of walk you guys through everything. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, the little button on the bottom right of this video. And if you're interested in learning more about creating high converting landing pages, or you want some specific example pages like this, then check out our course, which is called Landing Page Academy, and I'll drop a link for that in the description below too, where I actually give you templates that convert at over 40%, 30, 40%. So all you got to do is just swap in your information. And right now we're offering that for 5 different niches. And I think this pest control one I'm going to add in there too as well, because this one does pretty good. But besides that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description.